Morning, children. It's our English class today, and we are going to start a new poem named The Wooden Horse of Troy, written by Paul Perrault. Now, let me brief you about the poem. It is the poem of ancient times related to two cities, the Greek and the Troy. Now, what Greeks were wanted? Greeks wanted to attack and capture the city of Troy, but they were not able to do so because the city of Troy and the people known as Trojans, they were very strong. Since they were very strong, the Greeks waited outside the city for 10 years, but still they were not able to invade the city or to capture the city. After 10 years, they used one trick and they were able to defeat the Trojans. Trojans means the people of Troy. How they were able to defeat the Trojan and what trick they used, we are going to study today. So let's read the green paragraph first. In ancient times, once the Greek attacked the city of Troy, but the Trojans were very strong, so they could not be defeated. The war enters its 10th year, means for 10 years the Greeks tried to capture city of Troy, but they all their efforts went in vain, means they were not successful at all. Now let's read the poem and find out how the Trojans were finally defeated. So the poem goes like this. The Greeks had been besieging Troy 10 years or thereabout. The Greek army surrounded it. No one got in or out. Now, what was happening? The Greeks surrounded the city of Troy from outside and they were not letting any uh, uh, people of Troy to come out or to go inside. They were all around the city. But what happened? Like this, only 10 years passed. Nobody was able to move out of the place and nobody was able to get in. But since Troy city was very powerful, the people were very powerful, Greeks were not able to attack them or capture them. For the poor Trojans trapped inside, now Trojans were trapped inside. Why? Because they were not able to move out. If they are going to move out, Greek are going to kill them and capture them. They were inside the city for 10 years. The years slowly dragged on until one day they woke up and the Greek army had gone. Now, one day, what happened after 10 years? They saw when they move out of the city gate, they saw nobody was there outside, means no Greek army men was there. They became very happy. Okay, they thought that now nobody is there outside. That means Greek army has gone and they have uh, and they but one thing they saw that one big wooden horse is left. It is there, so they thought that Greek army has given them a gift as a sacrifice. Since they were not able to defeat us, so they have given us a gift. They were so happy to see that horse. See, in the picture it is also there. They brought that horse inside the city. See, from the gate they are bringing it inside the city. They thought it is a gift for us, but that was not the gift. That was the plan of Greek people. So once they brought that wooden horse inside the city, they thought they have won the this war, and they started celebrating. They celebrated whole day, and when they got tired and exhausted, by the end of the day, they slept. And the next morning, when they woke up, what they saw? They saw that they were captured by Greeks. How? While they were sleeping, the Greek people, see on the next page image, there is a trap door in the horse, and the Greek army people are coming down of it. Means the horse was not the gift for them, it was the trap door for Trojans. So Greek people, the Greek army people slowly came down from out of the horse and they opened the city gate. As soon as they opened the city gate, the rest of the army people, they came inside the Troy city, and people of Troy were not knowing this because they all were very exhausted because of the celebration and they were sleeping. The next day when they woke up, they saw that whole of their city has been captured and controlled by Greek people. So this was the very silly mistake which they did, and because of it, they got trapped and they got defeated. Now I am going to read the poem. Look carefully. The Greeks had been besieging Troy 10 years and thereabout. The Greek army surrounded it. No one got it in or out. For the poor Trojans trapped inside, the years slowly dragged on until one day they woke up. The Greek army had gone. They were very happy that they have gone. Outside the city walls, they found no Greek invasion force. Instead, they found the strangest thing, a giant wooden horse. They found a very big horse outside the city gate. Thinking it must be a sacrifice, they opened up the city gate and brought that horse inside and began to celebrate. This was the biggest mistake that they did. The Trojans did not realize the whole thing was a ploy. Ploy means planning and plotting. Greek soldiers hide inside the horse and now they were in the Troy. The Greeks were very intelligent. They planned and plotted that we are going to few of the Greek army people. They hide themselves in the Troy, and like this, they were able to enter the city. When the celebrations were over and the exhausted Trojans slept, after celebrating whole day, all the people of Troy they slept at night. The trap door opened in the horse, and out the soldiers crept. And in the night, slowly they opened the trap door of the horse and they moved down and they opened the gate. They opened up the city gate and let the Greek army inside. That's right, the Greek had not gone home, they had just gone off to hide. Now, these Greek people, they were smarter than Trojans. What they did, they just hide themselves behind the trees and bushes. They had not gone somewhere else. As soon as these little army people who were inside the horse opened the city gate, the whole army of Greek came inside. The Greeks controlled the whole city before the Trojans were awake. Now, within one night only, in one night, the Greeks were able to capture and control the whole city. Troy was lost because its people made a silly mistake. Now, because of the silly mistake of people of Troy, the Trojans, they were defeated. Imagine they were not defeated from last 10 years, but only because of one silly mistake, they got defeated in one night. So what we had learned from this story, we had learned that we should be worldly wise. Whatever we should do, we should use our brain and we should be wise enough to think what is right and what is wrong. Okay, now we are going to do the exercise based on this poem. We are going to do the exercise. First exercise is fill in the blanks. The Greeks besieged Troy for dash years. For how many years? For 10 years. Yes, very good. For 10 years. One day, the people of Troy realized that the dash had gone. What they thought? Who has gone? Greek army. Yes, very good. Answer is Greek army. The Greeks left behind a dash for Trojans. Giant, very good. Giant wooden horse. Giant wooden horse. The Trojans bought the wooden horse inside and began to dash. Celebrate. Celebrate. Very good. Celebrate. Celebrate. The Trojans did not realize that the whole thing was a dash. Ploy. Very good. Ploy. Okay, now we are going to do another exercise, the rhyming words. You have to find out the rhyming words from the lesson. I have already told you rhyming words are those words which pronounce same at the end. So first rhyming word is there, about and very good. There, about and out. Good. Second, on and gone. On and gone. Very good. Third, slept and very intelligent children. Slept and crept. Then gate, gate and celebrate. Very brainy children I have in my class. Very intelligent children. Gate and celebrate. Okay. And the last one, ploy and Troy. Ploy and Troy. So this was a very interesting poem which has made us understand that we should use our brain, our mind, and we should be very wise while doing things. If we are not going to be wise, if we will act foolish, then people are going to attack us, capture us, and control us. We should not do that. Okay. So let's end up our class today. You have to do this exercise in your fair copies. Clear? Thank you.